So the third and final tab is the income and expense summary tab. This tab basically showcases month on month what your income and expense is across the different months and years. What you will see here at the very top is each of the columns will have a corresponding month that it relates to. And then down in the very first column, it has all the categories for the revenue, income, and expenses that you have. Um, Remember the budgets that you had essentially established in the very first tab in the dashboard? They are ultimately translated over to column B. This will then automatically update as you update the dashboard and transaction details tab. Take, for example, the $200 that we had inputted in August at the very end of our demonstration last tab before. If I now change this to July, for example, what will happen is in the actual income and expense summary tab, this should now reflect back to fall under the July month. So as you can see here, the $600 is now back. Previously, the $200 that was relating to groceries sat in the August column. So depending on as you input more and more transactions, you will actually automatically have these translate over to the corresponding income expense summary tabs. So if I just quickly show you here. So what you'll see here is that in the August tab, here we go, this will then automatically show up and it will update automatically. So at a very high level, it really is just setting the budget, making sure that you allocate that accordingly, input your transactions, and then have a look each month. How did you actually go against your own personally set budget? And at the end of the day, if you make a mistake, if something doesn't feel right, you can have a look at whether you've put your correct dates in, put the correct description, allocated it to the right type, cost type, category, and then data entry of the amount. So that basically concludes my tutorial over the simple budget tool. Hopefully it's been helpful. If not, if there's any questions, just feel free to reach out and I'll try to answer them as much as I can. Thank you.